In today's world, wars are no longer fought just by soldiers, but also by machines. Yes, machines. Artificial intelligence is now taking decisions on the battlefield, from autonomous drones that scout and strike, to cyberwar systems protecting entire networks. The rules of warfare are changing faster than ever before. And the question is, are humans still in control? Let's dive into this fascinating and sometimes terrifying world of AI in modern warfare. Modern drones don't just fly anymore. They detect enemies, communicate with each other, and execute attacks autonomously. Algorithms calculate every move and select the fastest route, thousands of times faster than any human could react. Some drones can even decide when to retreat or call for backup, all without direct human input. In 2026, multiple countries are already testing AI-driven drones in live battlefield scenarios. Imagine a swarm of drones analyzing a city block in seconds, identifying threats, and making split-second decisions. Scary, fascinating, a bit of both. And it doesn't stop there. Robots on the ground assist soldiers, carrying supplies, performing reconnaissance, and sometimes even engaging in combat. The combination of aerial and ground AI systems is transforming how wars are fought, but drones and robots are just the beginning. AI analyzes the entire battlefield, predicting enemy positions from maps, satellite images, and sensor data. It calculates thousands of what-if scenarios in milliseconds, tasks that would take humans hours. Think of it like a criminal investigation running at super speed, instantly checking every clue. Some AI systems integrate real-time communication between drones, robots, and human commanders, creating a constantly adapting battlefield strategy. And the most astonishing part, AI keeps learning from every encounter, improving with each mission in the near future. These systems could simulate entire battles before they even happen, giving military leaders a powerful, almost predictive tool. AI isn't just in the sky or on the ground. Its online cyber warfare now uses AI for automated hacking, digital defense, and countermeasures. Entire networks, communication lines, and infrastructure are constantly monitored by intelligent systems. Some AI systems can detect attacks in real time, neutralizing threats before humans even notice. AI can also mimic enemy strategies to anticipate their next move, essentially playing chess on a global scale in this digital battlefield. Attacks can come from anywhere, at any time. The traditional battlefield is expanding into cyberspace, where speed, precision, and prediction are key. Autonomous ground robots are becoming frontline soldiers, equipped with cameras, sensors, and AI processors. They scout dangerous areas, deliver supplies, and assist in combat operations. Some are even armed, capable of targeting enemies under strict rules of engagement. But here's the ethical dilemma. Can a machine truly understand the value of human life? If a robot selects a target and an innocent person is harmed, who is responsible? These are not science fiction scenarios. Militaries worldwide are facing these questions right now. Some countries are experimenting with human-in-the-loop systems, where a human approves the AI's final action. But even this raises debate. The line between human control and autonomous decision-making is blurring. In the next decade, AI could completely redefine warfare. Humans' roles are shifting, with more decisions left to machines. Legal and ethical debates are intensifying. If an AI miscalculates and harms civilians, who takes responsibility? The programmer, the commander, or the AI itself? Some experts argue that AI could reduce human casualties by making faster, more accurate decisions. Others warn that giving machines life or death authority is extremely dangerous. International bodies are beginning to discuss regulations, treaties, and limits for autonomous weapons, but consensus is far from reached, and the technology is advancing faster than laws can adapt. Countries like the United States, China, and Israel are already testing AI systems on the battlefield. From autonomous drones to cyber defense algorithms, AI can outperform human decision-making in speed, efficiency, and accuracy. In 2025, simulated war games demonstrated AI systems predicting enemy moves up to 10 times faster than experienced generals. Imagine thousands of data points processed in seconds, decisions made faster than any human could react, and strategies evolving in real time. The power and the danger of this technology is enormous. AI has already changed the battlefield forever, but will it replace humans entirely or just assist them? That's the big question. The future of warfare might be decided not by soldiers, but by machines curious to see what's next. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Curious Brain Lab. Our next revelation might just blow your mind.